my cruise control is not working. You see, if I press my cruise control, it lights on here. So now if I set, see, if I set, nothing happens. My speed is decreasing because cruise control is not working. Night, this switch also lights on. So now I know that there is no problem in the switches. Maybe there is problem in the other things. Then I figured it out. My high mount brake light in the rear, like in the top of the trunk, is not working. The problem is cruise control is not working. I did some online research and found that the reasons could be fuse and relay problems inside the body control module, cruise control switch problem, brake or brake light problem, ECM or computer reset problem. For my case, when I press the cruise control switch, it lights on. Also, set and rest button next to it lights up at night. So there is no problem in the cruise control switch. Then later I figured out that my third brake light does not work, and brake lights have an effect on the cruise control functionality. So the problem is cruise control is not working because the brake light in the rear is not working. Okay, you see, pressing brake, two tail brake lights is working, but the middle brake light, that means the high mount brake lights is not working. Okay, so I open the trunk. So here you go. Okay, now let's focus on this one. You see, this is high mount brake light. So just press these two. Okay, just press these two. It's almost there. Yeah, here you go. You see, I open this high mount stop valve set, and here you see there are three valves. If I look closer, this one is okay, this one is okay, but this one is not okay. This one is actually gone. So, and I bought this one from Advanced Auto Parts for $4.27. So now let's how to remove the valve. It's like just put it up, that's it. So you see, if I look close, this one, see, this one is not working because the filament is gone. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll open one of my valve. Okay, actually it comes with pair, so you have to bought by pair. But it's not expensive, it's just $4. Okay, now you have to be careful because there is a slot like this, and you have to push it. You see, it's already there. Let's check the other two. This one to me looks like not very good. So as I have one spare, I just want to okay, remove this one. As I have one spare, I want to use my new one as well. Okay, good. So I replaced two bulbs. Now I will put this mount back, and just I want to show you here. You see this two bracket mount. Okay, so you have to do like these two go inside. You have to be careful. There is a small slot. You just push and there you go. See, this two bracket is sit on the slots. So now it's okay. So you don't need to unscrew this whole thing and whole thing out. Okay. Now I hope my brake light will be working. Now let's check. Stop. Okay, now I will check one more time if all the lights. Oh, the middle one that I didn't change is not working. Okay, maybe there is a problem in the middle one too. Okay, and you see I replaced two new bulbs, but the old one does not look like bad, but looks like somewhat bad, but it's not lighting up, so maybe bad. That's why I got another two new bulbs. No way. I wish they could sell three bulbs, but they don't. They just sell two as a pair. That's the bad part. Okay, now I am using three new bulbs. Okay, and you see how it's pop up. Okay, so I think it should be fine now. Okay, again need to push these two bracket into the slot and see, it's good. So I have one extra bulb, nothing to do. Now I fixed my high mount stop bulb. Now press the brake and all the brake lights are now working. Okay, now I will see if my cruise control is working or not. Alright, see you. Okay, cruise and set. You see, cruise is engaged.